Hello, hello. How are you? I hope you're doing good. I do. Let me know. Put it down in the comments. I want to know. So it's officially Memorial Day weekend, and my husband being a vet, it does hold somewhat of a special sentiment to us. So to all of those that have served and are currently serving, thank you. We appreciate you so much. Now, I know I recently posted a survey on my community tab asking you guys about spoilers and if you like getting them in the new shorts videos that I've been doing with the screenshots of the products and stuff like that, so you get a quick blast of information. The shorts are all under a minute long. Or if you like getting a spoiler video with actual, like, me talking to you about all the goodies. And most of you actually chose you like both. So some shorts, some regular videos. So that's what I'm going to try to do from now on. I will switch them up a little bit. And if, you know, some of the spoilers are limited information and I can fit it in a short, I'll do that. But as you saw in the thumbnail, I have got Ipsy Plus June spoilers and a few things that are going to actually be in our choices. So I was really excited when I came across this because, as y'all know, I get 2 Ipsy Plus bags. I know. I absolutely love my Ipsy Plus. And I love the fact that we get to choose 3 out of the 5 items we get in our Ipsy Plus. So, like me personally, for $25, all full-size items and 5 at that, great deal. Now, let's dive right in. I'm going to scoot over here so that I can fit the pictures of the products right here. Let's dive right in. Now, the first few things I'll go over with you are going to be the choice items. The first thing that you'll potentially have in your choice selections, and I will put the pictures up here, is from Apto Skincare. It is their pomegranate moisturizer. Now, this specific moisturizer has squalane in it, which is outstanding for anti-aging and stuff like that. And the squalane itself in the moisturizer, it helps to smooth and plump the skin. I am excited to try that. The second thing that you'll potentially have in your choice is by Mud Masky. And I'll put it up here. And it's a serum-infused eye mask. Now, this one has golden kiwi seeds in it, matcha tea, blueberries, and goji berries. So it actually sounds like a really cool and different eye serum. Okay, next item that will potentially be in your choice is by Ofra Cosmetics. And this is Cool as a Cucumber Primer. It's a moisturizing primer, and it also mattifies the skin. It is a blend of cucumber, coconut oil, cocoa nut oil. Is that how you say it? And macadamia nut oil. So that's another one that sounds like a really neat primer. And the last thing that Ipsy released as far as our choice options is by Kosas. And it's the Kosas Sport Lip Fuel. It is a hydrating lip balm. It moisturizes and plumps the lips. So that, you know me, I actually love getting lip balms in my boxes. I know some people it drives them crazy, but I don't mind. Now, moving on. The rest of these products I'm going to talk to you about and mention. They could be in your choices, or they could come up under the Ipsy picks that they pick for you, the 2 products they pick for you in your Ipsy Plus, supposedly based on your profile. And the first one is from Babe Lash. It's Enriching Liquid Eyeliner. It has a felt tip, and it also contains peptides which nourish the skin. And it is long wearing. So not only is it supposedly a quality felt tip eyeliner, but it also has the peptides, so it's a good for your skin in general. The next thing that could be chosen for you, or one of your choices, is from Bali Balm, and it is the Lemon and Black Pepper Lip Balm. It's a vegan formula, and it conditions and soothes the lips. Now, me personally, I'm not a big fan of black pepper. I mean, in my food is one thing, lightly, but not in my makeup or my lip products. No, that's not for me. Anyway, moving on. The next thing is by Christophe Robin, and it is a daily hair cream, and it has sandalwood in it. It fights dryness, and it repairs split ends. So that I'm actually really excited about, and I hope I get either the choice or that in my bag. Next, we've got from Ciate London, and it's the Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Spray. And it hydrates and holds makeup in place. Now, I will say, I've actually not only gotten that in one of my boxes, but I literally went back and I've reordered that spray 3 times now already. I absolutely love it. Okay, moving on. Next, we've got from Murad, and it's the Skin Smoothing Polish, and it clears pore clogging bacteria and excess oils from your skin. Then we've got a brush set from SL Miss Glam, and this is the Rainbow Luxe brush set. Now, I don't know, I guess from the picture I don't really get like a rainbow feel, but I think it catches the light and changes colors. I don't know. But either way, it does look like a pretty good set, and I've tried their brushes before, and they're pretty good. So I don't mind getting that if I do. Next, we've got, this one I'm so excited for, and I hope I get it. It's from Visart. Or Viziart? Is it Visart? I don't know. I'm bad with saying stuff like that. Okay, this is the Petite Pro 2 palette. It's a travel-friendly palette, and it contains 8 different shades, a mix of mattes and shimmers. And the colors look awesome. I'm really excited. I do hope I get in on that one. I've still got a couple more things. Next, we've got from Thrive Cosmetics, which I love Thrive products. This is an Eye Lift 360 waterproof primer. Now, this eyelid primer is supposed to be really, really good for oily lids. Now, technically, everybody's got oily lids. Those of us with oily skin, the problem is a lot worse for us than most of y'all. So either way though, this primer does work great for everybody, but it is supposed to work exceptionally well if you have an issue like I do with the extra oil. Okay, next we've got, okay, so this is my Formula 10.0.6. I've not heard of that brand. This is the Best Face Forward Daily Foaming Cleanser. It's got green tea, chamomile, and passion fruit in it. Again, that sounds really cool. I wouldn't mind trying that. And the last spoiler we got for the June 2021 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is by Serum Kind. It's their Purple Cabbage Drops. And the purple cabbage is supposed to help stimulate collagen production. Also soothe, calm, and moisturize your skin. Okay, so those are pretty much everything we've got right now for the June 2021 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. What do we think? Let me know down in the comments. Do you get this? Are you putting it on hold? What are your thoughts? Do you like the products you're seeing? Me personally, I feel like I'm seeing a lot of skincare, and I would like more of a balance of skincare and makeup. You can help customize your profiles, and please remember this. This is big. Each month with your bag, your Glam Bag Plus, even the Ipsy X, do your reviews. Trust me. Because if you get something that, say you get a nail polish and you do not want nail polishes, put that in your review. There'll be an option that says not for me. Pick that. And give them an explanation. The things that you like the most may tend to be a little bit heavier because they don't go by just your profile. They also go by your reviews. So if you have certain things checked off continuously, whether it's nail polishes or eyeliners or even lip balms, that you do not want, make sure you check off in your review, not for me. That will help customize your bags better and better for the future. So, keep that in mind. In addition to that, you get points for it, and you can get free stuff using your points. Do it. Okay, that's it. Thank you guys, as always, for coming to hang out with me during another one of my videos. I do appreciate you so, so much. Love you bunches. And if you haven't done so already, smash the subscribe button. It does really help my channel out, and I'd appreciate it if you would. Thank you guys. Talk to you later, and have a great holiday weekend. Bye-bye.